How to fix Westpac app not working. If the Westpac app isn't working, start by checking your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular or vice versa. If you're using proxy, VPN or any sort of custom DNS settings, make sure to disable those as well. Once you've disabled all that, if you're using the Westpac app on your Android phone, long press the Westpac app icon. Tap on this I button that says App Info to come to the app information page. This setting will be found on any Android devices. Once you're here, tap on the Storage Usage button, clear the cache files, and you can also choose to clear the data. Once you've done that, go to your Play Store or your App Store. Check if the Westpac app has an update, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.